Attention Indian nationals stranded abroad. The Government of India has published a press release on their official website regarding facilitating the return of Indian nationals who are stranded abroad in this COVID-19 pandemic beginning from 7th May in a phased manner. The press release published on May 4th, 2020 says the following. Government of India will be facilitating the return of Indian nationals stranded abroad on compelling grounds in a phased manner. The travel would be arranged by aircraft and naval ships. The standard operating protocol has been prepared in this regard. Indian embassies and high commissions are preparing a list of distressed Indian citizens. This facility would be made available on payment basis. Non-scheduled commercial flights would be arranged for air travel. The travel would begin in a phased manner from May 7th. Medical screening of passengers would be done before taking the flight. Only asymptomatic passengers would be allowed to travel. During the journey, all these passengers would have to follow the protocols such as the health protocols issued by the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Civil Aviation. On reaching the destination, everyone would have to register on the Arogya Setu app. Everyone would be medically screened. After scrutiny, they would be quarantined for 14 days either in a hospital or in an institutional quarantine on payment basis by the concerned state government. COVID-19 test would be done after 14 days and further action would be taken according to health protocols. The Ministries of External Affairs and Civil Aviation would soon share detailed information about it through their websites. State governments are being advised to make arrangements including for testing, quarantine and onward movement of the returning Indians in their respective states. Rus Education wishes for good health of every Indian citizen stranded abroad in this challenging situation. We would like to request the whole Indian student community who at present is away from their families to kindly take a wise decision in this regard. If your university and university hostels are taking adequate measures regarding your study and stay, then it is advisable to avoid any unnecessary travel and take good care of your physical and mental health. Share this information with fellow Indian citizens. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned, stay safe, stay alert.